Here are a few quick tips on how to use your V-flat properly and get a nice, healthy, long life out of them. So firstly, you're going to want to look for the white tape. And you're going to want that white tape to be facing up. There's 4 sides because this is a square. Okay? There's only one other side with tape, but that has a flap. We're not going to be doing that tape, and this is also black tape. White tape facing you, open it like this. Now you could come in from here and open it, but the best way to do it is from behind where the flap is. This way you can close it nice and easily. So got it open. There we go. It's closed. It's good to go. Okay, now we see people make the mistake of opening it wrong. I'm going to show you what that looks like. And this causes problems, and it makes the V-flat not last long, and it causes the tape to come apart. So this is extremely crucial that you use it correctly. Some people, they're not sure. They open it from the wrong side. So they'll open it kind of like this, and then they'll open it like this. Okay, so just not good altogether. And then they put the flap. So this could fall over very easily. And this flap, it's strong to hold the V-flat boards together, but not when it's in this position. So this is going to keep falling down. And it's putting pressure on the tape, and over time it's going to wear down over here as well, and it's going to cause the tape to come off. We have V-flats in our studio that have lasted us for well over 2 years, so there's no reason that these things should be getting ruined after a few months or after a few uses. So the most important thing is to open it correctly. Always make sure that the flap is facing up, and the way to close the V-flat correctly is to come to the black side, peel the flap back, fold the side that does not have the flap, and then fold the side with the flap. And that's it. Put it in the bag. The bag will protect it from dirt, and it will also help you carry it if you're being mobile and you're traveling. Also, just to mention, be careful when you're traveling. Don't put it in the back of the car and then shove heavy, sharp things on top of it, or throw a Pelican case that's super heavy. Just make sure that you just treat it with respect, and it'll last you, and it'll do you plenty good. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out, support@vflatworld.com. We're here to help, and happy shooting.